Are you looking for the best cheap 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Cobra 2 Pro 3D Printer. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed is increased by 10 times, 500 mm per second maximum printing speed, 20,000 mm/s2 acceleration. Equipped with a high-performance dual-core Cortex A7 1.2 GHz processor, providing abundant computing power for faster calculation and command execution, and controlling motor movement, which results in 10x faster printing by utilizing an optimized, direct extruder and a movement structure in the extrusion system and cooling system. It can effectively and precisely deliver the filament, quickly melt and cool to form, and run smoothly to reduce layer lines. By designing a unique module, after automatic leveling, it can intelligently compensate for Z-axis offset, while also supporting custom Z-axis compensation values, meeting the needs of different users and usage environments. One-click quick start for creative ideas, ensuring successful printing. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed is increased by 10 times. 10x boost in speed, 300 mm per second, standard printing speed 500 mm per second, maximum printing speed 20,000 mm/s2. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed is increased by 10 times, compared to products with average printing speed of 50 mm per second. Data from Anycubic Lab. Results are for reference only. You can finish a print in just one form in 56s, reducing the time needed by 86%. Number 2. SV01 Pro Dual Z-Axis Auto Leveling FDM 3D Printer. Built-in 32-bit TMC 2208 silent motherboard. More functions, more stable, super quiet. The print size of SV01 Pro is 11 by 9.5 by 11.8 inch, larger than other brands' same type printers, offers you larger printing space and more design options, enough for daily and home use. The auto bed leveling sensor CR Touch has simple structure and high precision. Perform multi-point detection on the print platform and record the height of each detection point. Stable quality, long-lasting, and can be reused more than 100,000 times. Compatible with sticker bed, glass bed, metal bed and other materials for 3D printing platforms. The 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen is responsive and bright with new user interface. New features of day, night mode will bring you a fresh new unique experience. The printing platform of the Soval SV01 Pro 3D printer has strong adhesion and excellent disassembly friendliness. After printing, the model can be removed by gently bending the magnetic platform. With self-design metal direct drive extruder provides a more precise feed and return of the filament, make printing smoother, and is compatible with various materials such as PLA, ABS, PEG and TPU. The replacement accessories of SV01 Pro will be coming soon. Dual Z-axis screws and stepper motors improves the accuracy and the precision of nozzles. Vertical movement with a specified Z-axis accuracy of 0.001 mm. Soval SV01 Pro allows 3D printing and laser engraving on one device. The switch between 3D printing and laser engraving is quick and easy with just a few simple steps. Up to 10 watts power, laser head not included. Technical assistance. Professional customer service has always been a cornerstone of our company philosophy. Number 3. Anycubic Cobra 2 Neo FDM 3D Printer. Anycubic Cobra 2 Neo 3D Printer configures a max printing speed of 250 mm per second, and 150 mm per second recommended print speed. Compared to products with an average printing speed of 50 mm per second, it uses more than 65% shorter time when printing the same model. The newly upgraded extrusion system and cooling system melt filaments quickly through the 60 watt hot end. At the same time, It is equipped with a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan to ensure rapid cooling and molding of the model. Compatible with PLA, TPU, PETC, and other types of filaments, it can be used in a wider range of fields and industries to meet the creative needs of more scenarios. Apply the linear propulsion and input shaping functions in Marlin firmware to reduce spillage and print resonance, improve print quality and stability, and create smoother and clearer model details. Novices can also produce high-quality works for their first print. With the design of a unique module, their Z-axis offset is intelligently compensated after automatic leveling, and the Z-axis compensation value is supported to meet the needs of different users and usage scenarios, so as to start creation efficiently and easily, and also for novices. The use of a 2.4-inch LCD knob screen and the introduction of new design elements provide a more intuitive, simple, easy-to-navigate interface. The whole machine consists of 5 modules with a gantry frame structure design. Easy assembly and less maintenance for a fast printing experience. Number 4. Fulson used V400 Fulson 3D printer. Fulson V400 is the latest Delta-based 3D printer independently developed by Fulson. Fast printing speed is its biggest advantage. Its max printing speed is 600 mm per second. Its quality performance is good. Compared with other ordinary 3D printers, printing the same model can save more than 70% of the printing time. 300mm x 410 support various 1.75 mm diameter printing filaments like PLA, PLA+, ABS, PETC, wood, TPU, PC. Nylon knead-dried. The Fulson V400 is independently developed with a delta structure to achieve 600 mm per second high-speed printing, saving more than 70% of the printing time compared to other 3D printers. The Clipper firmware is pre-installed, which is simple and convenient to use, bringing a new intelligent interactive experience. The ultralight short-range extruder is designed, and the extrusion force can reach 70 newtons to meet the requirement of 600 mm per second high-speed printing, especially suitable for printing flexible consumables and hard consumables such as PLA. The separated magnetic paste spring steel platform makes the first layer of printing more firmly bonded, and the model selection is simple. The hotbed can be heated to 110 C at most. Suitable setting parameters can print various materials. The self-developed leveling algorithm can easily solve the first floor problem by compensating the machining error at 25 points. The 7-inch wide-angle IPS ultra-high-resolution interactive screen is adopted. The click operation of the traditional touch screen is abandoned. The same multi-touch interaction scheme as that of the Apple phone is used, and the Clipper screen interface with a new optimized design is used, which is simple and convenient, bringing a new intelligent interactive experience. Number 5. Soval SV07 Plus 3D printer. Clipper firmware allows SV07 Plus to speed up to 500 mm per second at maximum. SV07 Plus is equipped with 480 by 800 high-resolution 5-inch touch screen, which brings you totally different experience from knob screen and normal 4.3-inch touch screen in the market. Clipper also offers a range of function options, including the height map and input shaper, while you could DIY based on your specific needs. All metal hot end comes with a larger melt zone, which offers high flow up to 20 to 30 cubic millimeters/s that greatly reduces the possibility of clogging. An extra large fan at the rear of the extruder offers triple airflows to quickly cool prints and ensures good layering for better results. It makes the high speed and high temperature possible at the same time. No more PTFE replacements or firmware flashes needed to print with different materials easily, like ABS. Nylon equipped with 600 watts Meanwell power supply. SV07 Plus brings super excellent and stable heating performance. Upgraded 420 watts heated bed can be heated to 60 C in 90 seconds, which is 30 seconds faster at least than most printers in the market. All sizes. If you own a SV07 Plus, Not only you own a 300 by 300 by 315 larger print volume printer, but also you get super faster heating speed and printing speed. With Soval's self-developed direct drive extruder that comes with planetary dual gear set, SV07 Plus offers a higher drive ratio and lighter motor for precise extrusion. We also have added a large external knob to make feeding easier, so you can focus on your printing project with minimal interruptions. SV07 Plus features 25-point auto leveling with an inductive sensor to detect and compensate for unevenness in the heated bed. This precise and smart technology makes it possible to get a fantastic first layer. Note: set initial layer height to 0.3 mm when slicing will help you get optimal results. If you have any adhesion issue, we recommend you to wipe the pay surface with alcohol before the next printing.